Night for this song as well, and I told him, yo, maybe do it, but I plan to do it on a live for y'all, and then I'm gonna drop it tomorrow, so look out for that as well. You see me, I say, but yeah, man, this is the first request where I jump right now. This one that is none other than Skippa, so I skip them himself. You see me, I say, OG Bob, yeah, man, Skippa, pay me twice, gang. Let's jump right in the track. Let's get it. Just like one of them blood clean man, they back in a 19 how long to blood clean. Like him, the upper I deal with. We dog got a skull in there, and we dog got deal with another one. Eh? Sleep at night. What kind of ritual this dog light all red? Already like them, so already right on a good thing, you know, man. You see, dog got his skull in hand.
See him like a chopper boy in a bowl of shot. When we just pray for your son, because I'm cool, you fuck hard work, I'm up and make it crawl, if up, buck a go.
Okay, man, so mama pay for your shot. Hey, mama pray for your son.
Just pray for your son, because I'm cool, you fuck hard work, I'm up and make it crawl, if up, buck a go in a crowd, you better code it up. So we bleach pan crime, phone pa my chest, so me sleep at night. Straight from hell, me no need no cry. So me walking.
Alright, man, so we bleach pan crime. Phone pa my chest so me sleep at night. I'm a chop. As a crack, hey, easy enough.
Phone pa my chest so me sleep at night. Straight from hell, me no need no cry. Some walkie GUZU wild skull pay me twice. Give thanks for the fraud.
Man says straight from mine, no need no more Skippa. Come on, bro. They got Skippa, bro. Damn, Skippa, you gone over to the GUZU side fully.
Me no need no cry. Some walkie GUZU wild skull pay me twice. Give thanks for the fraud, young boy life now. And if I break me just start again. Jump on a plane and then me gone again. Nah penny no skull, me want all of them. Dog, got the Skippa want the brother Benz.
Bro, me just start again. I want to them, man. You see, if I do it once, you can't do it twice, huh?
Man a thief, I'm a non-stop tech, yo, bro. Me even listen to the music, me make jump black on the grind, book another redneck, another day, another fine more.
Man saying I listen to your music or you make, so you don't even listen to your own music. Skippa, where you try to like?
Listen to the music, me make jump black on the grind, book another redneck, another day, another fine more. I get the concept, I swear all of this are true. Me and my dope, just sit down in my room. Mix the oil with the blood, with the spoon, feel the skull, feel like the metal fly.
Whoa. Man say, yo, I don't listen to my songs, but I don't have time for that. I'll chop me there, chop the line, you see me? Just go find out, you know, make a tune and go link on it. This man wilding, bro. Yeah, man, I said,
mix the oil with the blood, with the spoon, feel the skull, feel like the metal like stone. So when I start, so I non-stop call.
Blood, bro?
Chop a one mark exports. Dirty money, they stink like fast from the game. Now the Skippa name reach pan charts.
Dirty money, they think like. But blood with the spoon, bro. Come on. Skippa, where you the pan, me G? Nah, man, you can't do them thing that I.
Boy in a polo shot, when we just pray for your son, because I'm cool, you fuck hard work, I'm up and make it crawl, if up. Buck a go in a crowd, you better code it up. So we bleach pan crime. Phone pa my chest, so me sleep at night. Straight from hell, me no need no cry. Some walkie GUZU wild skull.
Nah, man, you have to have God in your life, man. People don't listen to that. Yeah, make sure you have God in your life. Stay prayed up. You see me do the right thing, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Pay me twice. Give thanks for the fraud, young boy life nice. Man, I chop a put it on the video. White boy, better listen what me say you fi do. Yeah. Fuck around, me send me granny for you. Pussy hole, send a bank card, pan a picture.
Yo, man, say, yo, hey. Yo, shut up and tell him what to do, you know. Listen. Man, send me granny for you, you know, guys. I think his granny dead, you know. This is saying granny dopey matter. Hey, skip on a, hey. Yo, dog, come on. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up this twice, gang. Let's get it.
Young boy life nice. Man, I chop a put it on the video. White boy, better listen what me say you fi do. Yeah. Fuck around, me send me granny for you. Pussy hole, send a bank card, pan a picture.
Yo, send your bank.
Man, tell us I'm not stop scam job.
Tell my yo, white boy, listen to what me tell you for doing, you know, dog. You see me? My have send me granny for you, know. You see me granny dead, you know. Don't pay a come for you, know, dog. So mine, you know. You see me? I say, Yes, any bank card and the picture right now, me G.
Panada Fratchet, then go sing about that. Crown be my market, never spin a rental. Spooky big goon, I will like shot. Rich forever, man.
Wow. Yo, Skippa doing this thing, dog. The video mad, dog. I see why people been requesting this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, shout out to Skippa. Skippa doing the thing. Dog, I pack up the blood clot thing there. Is a ritual, dog. I did, dog. Put in a cucumber. Hey, that happen? Huh? Video crazy, but that whole video look like a whole ritual though. You know, see the whole time on his skull and the blood clean cucumber dog, put it in a cucumber dog. You see me? I say me that play attention to the lyrics still, trying to play more to the video, but yeah, it's a whole ritual dog. Some dog just GUZU somebody right there so. You see me? I say somebody just get GUZU a while ago and don't even know what to blow. Anyway, shout out to Skippa dog. You see me? I say real dope track gang. Let me know anything about it one day. What do you request them there? What do I react to next? Come in, gang. That mafia wanna deal. Talk to me. Talk to me. You see me? This is gonna be a late night stream, gang. You know what I'm saying? I kind of started a little bit late, but I appreciate y'all stay here out here with your boy. You feel me? How we react to next now? But we have enough tune for react, you know. You see me, guys? Oh yeah, gang. If you're looking for a reaction from a video and see someone drop it, trust me, I probably did the video already. Just drop it, cause now I'm not dropping no video unless YouTube greenlight. You see me? Before I used to drop videos, but I got greenlight on the way. But we YouTube acting on with the guidelines and stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Me not dropping no video until them greenlight. You know what I'm saying?